Yeah, welcome back to my channel today again in English. Today we are looking at how does it works with a work visa. So when you want to get an employment here in Colombia, how can you get an employment visa? Because many of you, they probably know someone who has a restaurant or whatever, a small business, and you think you probably can get a work visa through this company. And very often it does not work like that because there are some requirements you have to have in your mind. First of all, a company who wants to employ you so that you can get a visa needs to have 100 times the minimum salary per month as revenues, which are around 35,000 US dollars per month, which is quite a lot for many smaller companies here, so they don't make that much money, and therefore you probably cannot apply the visa. The migration office asks then, when you have this work contract, logically for the work contract, and they want to check if the company reach out these revenues. And therefore they ask for the bank extract. And many times this is already the second problem. They don't want to give you the bank extract of the company because what business owner likes to show all the data to his employees, but some they do. Or the human resource department of the company applies your visa. Then it's also probably not such a big problem. But this I have seen many times in the practice that when it comes then to deliver the required documents for your visa application, many companies have problems to deliver these documents, or they don't want to deliver these documents. So we have the bank extracts, we have the work contract, then we need the extract of the Chamber of Commerce and the root number, the tax number of the company. And with the Chamber of Commerce, the company has to be renewed every year. You have to renew a company in the Chamber of Commerce, so everything has to be in order with this company. And these were the most important documents you need from the company who wants to employ you. Now, of course, they also ask for documents from you, like your passport, the entry stamp when you cross the border. The migration always stamps your passport. Then they want to have profile picture, and then many times it's not required, but I highly recommend you to have your FBI background check ready, because it's not a required document, but the practice shows that also for visas, they don't require this document they're asking for, and they have the right to ask for additional documents. And what we see right now, 2025, migration gets nastier and nastier, and they're asking more and more documents. And so therefore, so that you don't lose too much time or your visa application already run out of time, organize your FBI background check, your police record at time, not waiting until the migration office is asking for that in addition, because it takes you time to organize this document. You needed to apostolize it, to get an apostille, that means to legalize this document for Colombia. And then you have to translate this document by official translator, which also takes time. So usually when migration office comes with an additional document they want to see, they give you 1 week time to organize this. Sometimes a little bit more, but usually it does not. You will run out of this timeline, and then you have to reapply the visa again, because for all visa application no document can be older than 3 months. So don't get this document too early, get it in the right time so that you police record, your FBI background check is ready when you apply the visa, and don't get it a half a year or a year before, because then it also does not work for the migration office, because no document can be older than 3 months. Have this always in mind. Then when you have all this document, we make the visa application, and then it takes more or less 1 month to get your visa approved. We charge more or less around $300 for a visa application, and then of course there's the application fee and so on. I made a special video how much does cost a visa. There you see all the fees and what the government is charging you. And then when you have everything, then when your visa is approved, then we can apply your cedula, your Colombian ID card, which you have then to pick up in the migration office itself, where they take you the fingerprints, also make another profile picture, and then you have to wait until your ID card is ready to pick it up. And then I hope this video helped you. Go to the playlist. There is an English playlist, only videos in English, because I produce German videos and English videos. If you follow the channel, don't be surprised when you sometimes see a German video. Because I have multiple languages, so probably not all videos are for you, but everything important I always publish also in English. So be a little bit patient. Next video will come up. We have videos for taxes, how to buy real estate, public auction, how to rent an apartment, how to buy an apartment, how to constitute a company. All these topics, what probably is of interest for an expat as well, like health insurance, is on this channel. Follow the channel and share this video with other of your friends. And if you have a question, just write it in the comments. If you want to call me, a short phone call when you need a short consultation, 15-20 minutes, it's absolutely free of charge. We have offices in Medellin and in Santa Marta, but we serve all over Colombia. My name is Roger Schmidt. I'm a Swiss CPA and working since 2017 with expats and helping them. I have a team of lawyers and CPAs, so we are professionals, and we would be happy if you want to come to us. Just give me a call, go to my homepage, and then I wish you good luck and a good stay here in Colombia. Hopefully we'll see us in the next video. Bye-bye.
We'll find our paradise in the tropical sky.